The Lagos State University invites you to its 98th Inaugural Lecture.
I am Professor Dr. Abdur-Rahman Olalekan Aremu OLAYIWOLA, a professor of political science, comparative politics, government and political communication, Department of Political Science, Faculty of Social Sciences, Lagos State University.
Titled Political Communication and Political Complications in Nigeria, Analysis and Action. Date Tuesday 27th August 2024. Time 3 p.m. Venue Buba Marwa Auditorium, Main Campus, Ojo, Lagos, under the chairmanship of Professor Ibiyemi Ibilola Olatunji Bello, MNI and POM, Vice Chancellor, Lagos State University. All guests are expected to be seated by 2:30 p.m. Announcer Emmanuel A. Fanu, Registrar and Secretary to Council. We are LASU. We are great.